Your money could be 15x in 5 years. Let's be honest. If someone told you your money could grow 15 times in 5 years, you'd probably roll your eyes and say, yeah, sure, and unicorns deliver pizza now. But here's the thing. It's not impossible. In fact, it's already happened to people who understood how money really grows. While most folks are busy saving their money in a bank account, earning 0.5% interest, a few others are letting their money work harder than a coffee-fueled intern on Monday morning. Today, I'll show you how that's done, without magic, scams, or shady crypto promises. Just smart strategy, math, and a bit of patience. Welcome to the channel, where we make finance simple, fun, and maybe just a little bit dangerous for your old spending habits. If you've ever felt that you work way too hard for money that doesn't grow fast enough, this video is for you. We'll talk about how to potentially 15x your wealth in 5 years, what strategies actually make that possible, and how not to blow it all up by chasing the wrong get-rich-quick schemes. Stick around till the end, because I'll share the real formula that separates ordinary savers from extraordinary investors. Part 1. The Power of Compounding. Let's start with the quiet superhero of finance, compound interest. Albert Einstein, yes, that Einstein, allegedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's the math. If you invest $10,000 and earn 50% annually, which is ambitious but not impossible with smart moves, in 5 years you'd have around 75,937. That's roughly 7.5x your money. To hit 15x, you'd need closer to 70% annual growth, which isn't sustainable forever. But short-term surges in the right investments can make it happen. The trick? Not expecting it every year, but catching the right wave when it comes. Part 2, where the 15x growth happens. High-growth sectors. Think of innovation, artificial intelligence, green energy, biotechnology, or space tech. Tesla? Nvidia? People laughed at those stocks once too. Now, they're laughing from their yachts. Emerging markets. Countries like India, Vietnam, and Indonesia are the next economic tigers. Their middle classes are booming, and so are investment returns. Small-cap stocks are ETFs. Smaller companies have higher risk, but also higher potential. It's like betting on the young version of Apple, before it became a trillion-dollar giant. Reinvesting dividends. Don't cash them out, reinvest. That's how you supercharge the compounding effect. Time, plus patience. Remember, the biggest secret of wealthy people is not IQ. It's time in the market, not timing the market. Part 3, the reality check. Now let's get real. Can everyone 15x their money? No. If someone guarantees that, run faster than you would from your ex's karaoke night. Markets fluctuate. You can lose money. But with smart diversification, discipline, and long-term vision, you can multiply your money far beyond what saving alone ever will. The real mistake is not trying. It's parking your money in a 0.5% savings account while inflation eats it alive. Part 4. The formula to remember. Here it is, my favorite formula. Smart investing. Time x consistency. Plus compounding x courage. The courage to start, the patience to stay, and the wisdom to learn. That's what builds wealth. So, what's next? Don't just dream of 15x growth. Plan for it. Start with what you have, learn what you can, and let your money do what it was made for. Work for you. If you found value today, subscribe for more real-world investing tips. No hype, no nonsense. Just smart moves that anyone can apply. Because remember, the best time to plant a money tree was 5 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend.